Okay, so here we are. We're going to add angles first, and then we can subtract. We always have to remember that 1 degree equals 60 minutes and 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Okay, we always want to remember that. So if we were asked to add two angles that are in DMS, we remember what DMS means, degrees, minutes, and seconds. We should be able to add them instead of converting to decimal degrees, adding and then converting back to decimal or degrees, minutes, seconds. It's a lot faster if you do it this way. So if I have 45 degrees, 45 minutes, 35 seconds, and I want to add, let's say 10 degrees, 16 minutes, and 54 seconds, I should be able to add those two together. Okay, so what I recommend is you add them according to their columns, and then we will reduce them in just a second. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add 35 plus 54 is 88. Okay, and 45 plus 16 is 61, and 45 plus 10 is 55. Okay, as I mentioned before, on bearings, or whenever we're given an angle, our degrees have to be 90 degrees or less. Our minutes have to be 60 minutes, actually 59 minutes or less. And our seconds have to be 59 seconds or less. Okay, so I can't be done when I say that if I add 45 degrees, 45 minutes, 35 seconds, plus 10 degrees, 16 minutes, 54 seconds, it doesn't equal 55 degrees, 61 minutes, 88 seconds. I have to reduce that to a common notation. Okay, so if I erase this up here, okay, I can say that 88 seconds equals 1 minute, 28 seconds. Okay, because I know that 1 minute equals 60 seconds. Okay, so 88 minus 60 is 28. So this notation is the same as 88 seconds. Okay, essentially we would have a 0 there. Okay, so what I can do here is (35 plus 54 down here is 88. So I take the remaining 28 seconds and I carry 1 minute to the top. Okay, so I say 45 plus 16 is 61, plus another 1 is 62. Okay, now if I had 62, and again this is recorded so you have all this information. If I had 62 minutes, in standard notation, that would be 1 degree, 2 minutes. Okay, so 16 plus 45 plus 1 is 62. I would state that this is O2 and carry the 1 degree. So 45 plus 10 plus 1 is 56. And that's our final solution. Okay, so I have 56 degrees. I have 2 minutes and 28 seconds. The 28 is less than 59. The 2 is less than 59. And the 56 is less than 90. Any questions on that?
When you added the 30, did you add the 35 and 54?
35 plus 54. Oh, I'm sorry, I did. It's supposed to be 89, isn't it?
Yeah, because I got a different number. I got 29 on that part.
Correct. Yeah. 35 plus 54 is 89. 89 minus 60 is 29, correct. Thank you. Any other questions? Okay. Now, if we wanted to subtract those two numbers, if we wanted to subtract these two numbers, I can't take 35 minus 54 because that's a negative answer. So what I have to do here is borrow a minute from the top portion, and I'll show you here what that means, okay? So if I cancel that out and I say that that's 44 minutes, and I add 60 to this, that would be 90, sorry. 60 plus 35 is 95. Now I can subtract 54 from 95. Okay, 95 minus 54 is 41. Okay, I can subtract 16 from 44, and that is 28. And I can subtract 10 from 45, that's 35. So anytime you would result in a negative number, you have to borrow from the column to the left. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Anybody else have any questions? Okay. If you have questions, just holler.